PAKGO EX Plus is specially designed for MTBs and also fits road and gravel bikes with cockpit handlebars. Box contents: front adapter, dummy rear hub and chain holder, and 12 mm through axle, disc brake spacer, bottom bracket support, rear derailleur protector, drivetrain cover, headset spacer, security strap, reusable zip ties, frame pad, brake lever protector, padded divider. How to disassemble road and gravel bike to fit PAKGO EX Plus. Remove pedals. Remove front wheel. Insert disc brake spacer. Install front adapter. Tighten strap. Install bike on bottom brake support. To protect the frame surface, make sure only the soft loop side touches it. Remove rear wheel. Insert disc brake spacer. Install chain holder and through axle. Remove the derailleur. Install rear derailleur protector. Install drivetrain cover. Cut frame pad to fit bike frame parts. Use security strap to fix the frame pad. Use reusable zip ties to fix the frame pad. Remove seat post and saddle. Install seat post and saddle with sleeve on frame. Remove stem. Remove handlebar. Install headset spacer on steerer tube. Install stem cap. Place handlebar on the bike frame. Tighten strap. Release tire pressure. Place wheels into case. Ensure rear wheel freewheel cassette faces down. Tighten straps to secure wheel. Fix bike with strap. Tighten straps to secure bike. Place divider to protect frame. Compatible with road or gravel bike without handlebar removal. Install brake lever protector. Tighten straps to secure bike. Place wheels into case. Your bike is now securely packed and ready to go.